Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer bookmarks from Chrome to Firefox with data import easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots. From the drop-down menu, select Bookmarks. Now click on Bookmark Manager. In the Bookmark Manager, look for the three vertical dots again, located in the top right corner. Click on those dots and choose Export Bookmarks. A file will be saved to your computer, usually in the .html format. Next, open your Firefox browser. In Firefox, click on the Library button, which looks like a series of stacked books. Select Bookmarks from the menu. Then click on Show All Bookmarks at the bottom. The Library window will now open up. In the Library window, look for Import and Backup in the top menu. Click on Import and Backup, then choose Import Bookmarks from HTML. A file dialog will appear. Navigate to the location where you saved your Chrome bookmarks. Select the exported .html file and click Open. Your bookmarks from Chrome will now be imported into Firefox. To check your imported bookmarks, click on Bookmarks in the menu. You should now see all your Chrome bookmarks in Firefox. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred your bookmarks from Chrome to Firefox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.